Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 10, leçon Z. We will discover in this lesson some idiomatic uses of the verb faire, so they can be quite useful. And because the list is a bit long, I've been deciding to read them only once. Okay, so let's start right now. Not to worry, ne pas s'en faire. To belong to, faire partie de. To clean the house, faire le ménage. To clean one's room, faire sa chambre. To cook, faire la cuisine. To court, faire la cour. To court someone, faire la cour à quelqu'un. To do an errand, faire une course. To do errands, faire des courses. To do good, faire du bien. To do the dishes, faire la vaisselle. To do the laundry, faire la lessive. To make music, faire de la musique. To get dressed up, se faire beau. To exercise, faire des exercices physiques. To exercise, faire de la muscu. To frighten, faire peur. To frighten someone, faire peur à quelqu'un. To go bike riding, faire du vélo. To go bike riding, faire du cyclisme. To harm, faire du mal. To harm someone, faire du mal à quelqu'un. To hurt, faire mal. To hurt feelings, faire de la peine. To hurt someone, faire mal à quelqu'un. To hurt someone's feelings, faire de la peine à quelqu'un. To make the bed, faire le lit. To pack one's suitcases, faire ses valises. To paint, faire de la peinture. To pay attention, faire attention. To pay attention to, faire attention à. To play dead, faire le mort. To please, faire plaisir. To please someone, faire plaisir à quelqu'un. To sew, faire de la couture. To ski, faire du ski. To take a walk, faire une promenade. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content, and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.